The Story of the First Mosquito. A long time ago in a small village, there lived a poor farmer and his beautiful wife. They lived in a simple house and worked hard in the fields to grow food. The farmer worked every day under the sun, but his wife only cared about her looks. She didn't help at home or in the fields. Even though their life was simple, the wife was not happy. She wanted her husband to earn more money so she could buy expensive beauty products and nice clothes. The farmer loved his wife very much, so he worked harder and harder to make her happy. But no matter how hard he worked, he could not earn enough money. His wife kept asking for more things. She never thought about how tired her husband was. One day the wife got very sick. She had spent too much time taking care of her beauty and not her health. Day by day, her illness got worse. Finally, she passed away. The farmer was heartbroken. He cried all day and night. He loved his wife so much that he didn't want to bury her. Then he had an idea. The next day, the farmer sold everything he had and bought a small boat. He wanted to travel along the river to find the land of the gods. He believed that the gods could bring his wife back to life. He rowed the boat for many days. One day, thick fog covered the river, and he couldn't see anything. When the fog disappeared, he saw a tall mountain that touched the clouds. "This must be the place where the gods live," he said. He climbed the mountain, carrying his wife's body. On the way, he met an old man. "You must be a god," said the farmer. Then he told the old man everything. The old man smiled and said, "You are a good husband, but why do you want her back? She is everything to me. Please bring her back," the farmer begged. The old man nodded. "All right. Because of your love and hard work, I will tell you a secret. If you drop 3 drops of your blood into her mouth, she will come back to life. But remember, if she does something wrong again, remind her that she lives because of your 3 drops of blood." The farmer quickly did what the old man said. It was like magic. His wife opened her eyes and lived again. The farmer was very happy and took her back home. But now he had nothing left. He had sold everything. The wife saw this and became worried. "How can he buy me clothes or beauty creams now?" she thought. While they were on the river, they stopped at a busy port. The farmer went to the market to buy food. Near their boat was a big, beautiful ship owned by a rich man. The rich man saw the farmer's wife and fell in love with her beauty. "If you come with me," said the rich man, "I will give you anything you want." The wife was tempted. She forgot everything and went away with the rich man. When the farmer came back, his wife was gone. He searched everywhere, but he could not find her. 1 year passed. Then one day the farmer saw his wife again. He asked her to come back, but she refused. "You are not thankful," the farmer said. "Remember, you are alive because of 3 drops of my blood." The wife laughed and said, "So what? Do you want them back? Fine." She poked her finger and dropped 3 drops of her blood. But suddenly her face turned pale. She felt weak and fell to the ground. She died again, but this time something strange happened. She turned into a mosquito. And from that day on, the mosquito flies around every night, trying to drink human blood, hoping that one day she could become a beautiful woman again.